There's a lot to see in Waco, but we were there for one purpose: to visit Chip and Joanna Gaines' Magnolia Empire. Specifically the Magnolia Silos complex. Chip and Joanna are famous for their groundbreaking HGTV series Fixer Upper, where they buy sad and forgotten homes and fix them up for potential buyers. Join us as we explore all things Magnolia, drop in on the Texas Rangers, find another tranquil Harvest Host location, and explore a low-cost but beautiful RV spot for your own Waco adventure.
Here we go! All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
It's a long drive from New Orleans to Waco. We decided to break it into 2 days and found refuge at a great Harvest Host location, the Coushatta Hills Ranch in Cold Spring, Texas. The ranch is part of owner Ingrid's parents' ranch. Ingrid is a retired high school principal and is slowly building a camping area on the corner of her ranch. She let us park on high ground and was a gracious hostess. We want to come back and spend more time. The next day we made it into Waco. On the outskirts next to Lake Waco is a nice Army Corps of Engineers campground with electrical hookups and a dump station. We got a spot right on the water. It's a beautiful setting, and for around $30 a night, it can't be beat. On a practical note, washing clothes can be a challenging and time-consuming process on the road. Just finding a clean, well-kept laundromat can be stressful. We found one near downtown, and in a couple hours we were ready to officially start our Magnolia extravaganza.
All right.
We started our trek at the Magnolia Table Resturant. Open for breakfast and lunch, it's a beautiful renovation of the elite diner built in 1941. The food was really great.
This country for a living to get by. Got no address, just a mailbox south of Ennis on I-45. I called you and no one answered. Left a message, said goodbye. If you need me, I'll be driving south through Waco on I-35.
We spent part of the day visiting some homes and locations that had been featured in Fixer Upper, being careful not to disturb the residents.
Well, I'm where the Gaines Empire started, I guess. This is Joanna's first shop on Bosque Avenue, the Magnolia shop. It's open in season. It's closed right now.
At the time we were there, Chip and Joanna had just finished renovating a building they call the Castle. Quite an impressive building.
Until then, I guess Shiner's just fine. This land that I know's got me dreaming of a place where I'm never alone.
Magnolia Market at the Silos is a shopping complex that encompasses 2 city blocks in downtown Waco, Texas. It's marked by 2 120-foot high silos. Built in 1950 as part of the Brazos Valley Cotton Oil Company, the silos ceased to serve as storage in the 1990s and became, for over a decade, a little more than a challenge for trespassing youth to climb. In 2015, Magnolia at the Silos officially opened in the center of Waco. Magnolia Market at the Silos is part of the Gaines business enterprise, which now includes their own television network.
Suddenly I'm seeing everything so different. like I'm looking at the world through a brand new lens. Every shade of green and blue, and it's all because of you. I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. Found a story that we saw. Every moment is a song. I'm hearing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Ooh, 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 celebrate tonight. Ooh, celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight. Like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Ooh, celebrate. Celebrate tonight.
Along with the main store, the market includes small specialty shops, on-site food trucks, a miniature baseball field in homage to the field that was once in the same spot, an impressive coffee house, and a beautifully restored church that was actually moved to this location from another spot in Waco.
Celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight. Like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight.
Okay, I know I said we were focused on Magnolia, but as a childhood fan of Walker, Texas Ranger, I had to make a visit to the Texas Ranger Hall of Fame and Museum. This museum is dedicated to preserving the history and heritage of the Texas Rangers, a legendary law enforcement agency that's been serving the state since 1823. The museum features a wide range of exhibits and artifacts that showcase the history of the Rangers, including their role in the fight for Texas independence, their work in protecting the frontier from outlaws and bandits, and their contributions to modern law enforcement. Also, some of their most famous representations in movie and TV through the years. Thanks for watching. We would love to have your support in reaching our next big goal of 500 subscribers. We can do it. We appreciate you helping us get closer to our goal each week. Subscribing and liking the episode by clicking on the little thumbs up icon really helps us reach new people for the channel, and your written comments, well, they mean the world to us. We love building a community, and we appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day. Karen, Wesley, and I wish you happy travels. See you next time.